Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy way to get the weekday name from dates that are given in day, month, year format with dots in between. We will use a combination of Excel functions like text, date, and few more to make it work. In this sheet, the dates are given in column A and they are in text format. To get the weekday name in column B, type equals to text opening parenthesis, type date, opening parenthesis. The date function takes three parameters, year, month and day. To get the year, type write opening parenthesis, select cell A2, comma, type 4 for last four characters, closing parenthesis, comma. To get the month, type mid, opening parenthesis, select cell A2, comma, starting position is 4, number of characters are 2, closing parenthesis. Now to get the day, type left, opening parenthesis, select cell A2, comma, 2 for first two characters, closing parenthesis for left, closing parenthesis for date function, comma, type D three times within double quotes to get the weekday name, closing parenthesis for text function and press enter and you will see the weekday for the date in cell A2. Drag the formula for the remaining cells and you will get corresponding weekday name for each date. If you found this helpful, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.